All right, hello friends. We're in Seaside, Florida here on the Gulf Coast, and we're going to take a quick tour around this awesome community, show you everything they have to offer. Won't you come along with us? Now, Seaside, Florida is one of the more popular places to vacation here along the Gulf Coast. As you can see by the crowds that are out here right now, it's definitely in season. A lot of people are in town enjoying the beach weather. And hey, can't blame them. It's beautiful here on the Gulf Coast of Florida. Now, the central plaza here at Seaside is pretty much where all the action is going on. Today, it happens to be a Saturday, so they're having a farmer's market set up out here. But as you can see, they've got a stage for concerts. They've got all kinds of things going on out here. Check out their events page. They'll let you know everything that's going on while you're vacationing here at Seaside. Now, there's a lot more to Seaside than just the main area out front. Behind the main plaza are several more shops and restaurants, so you got to basically just get off the beaten path and start exploring around the area. There's definitely a lot to look at. Now, some of you may have heard some of the problems that the Seaside community has had during this most recent spring break. Basically, just kids acting crazy. I don't think it's going to be a problem. I don't think it's something that you should cancel your vacation to Seaside for. It's still a really nice area to come and visit. Definitely don't cancel your vacation because of some of the stuff you've seen on the news. There's also some excellent restaurants here to choose from. They've got all these funky food trucks outside along the main area, but they've got pickles. Bud and Alley's across the street here has just built a brand new pizza bar, so that's definitely a good place. The previous one was really good. So yeah, if you're here in the Seaside area, you're gonna have to give all these restaurants a try as well. All right, well, that's going to do it for us here for our quick walk-around tour of Seaside, Florida. Hope you enjoyed checking out what this community has to offer. If you're coming here to Northwest Florida, this is a great place to come vacation. But thank you for coming along with us, and thank you for watching the Butler Family Adventures.